In this video, we are going to be learning how to invite someone on Zangi. To invite someone to join Zangi, first of all, launch open the Zangi application on your smartphone. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After you end up in the main chat page, tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner. From the settings menu, scroll a bit down and tap on invite friends. You will see options like invite by SMS and set invitation via. If you tap on invite by SMS, you will then be able to choose your contact on the next page. Select the contact you would like to send the invitation to. After choosing the contact, click on the send invite button at the bottom. You can also choose multiple contacts that you'd like to invite to Zangi. After tapping the send button, an automated invitation code will be displayed on the screen. Simply tap on the send button or the green button at the bottom right in order to send in the invitation to a friend via SMS. Now, another way you can send the invitation is by choosing the send invitation via option. Once you tap on it, you can share your invitation link via messaging app available on your smartphone. Choose one of the messaging application and the invitation link will be pre-filled. Select the contact you'd like to send the invite to and then tap the next button at the bottom right. After you see the automated invitation link generated in the thread box, tap the send button at the top right corner. And that's how you easily send invitation requests from Zangi to anyone. I hope you learned how to invite someone on Zangi with these few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.